Find the gradient of the line that goes to the points 1, 4 and 3, 10. So 1, 4 and 3, 10, let's just plot those. 1, 4, so there's 1 across and 4 up. And then 3, 10. Doesn't have to be perfect or to scale. Draw the line between them. And then draw your right angle triangle in. I'm just going to do it in a different colour, I think. Now, gradient is for 1 across, how many up? Now, here I haven't got 1 across. I've actually got for 2 across because I'm going from 1 to 3. So 2 across. And how many up am I going? Well, I'm going from 4 to 10. So that's 6 up. Now, gradient, like I said, is always 1 across. So I need to use my ratio here and I need to get it down to 1 across. So I'm going to divide by 2 on this side and divide by 2 on this side. So my gradient is therefore 3. Next up we've got the points minus 1, 4 and 3, 12. So part B. So again, draw your points on. Minus 1, 4. Let's say that's about here, where that's minus 1. And that's 4. And then 3, 12. And let's say that's about here, where that's 3. And that's 12. And again, join your points together. And draw on your right angle triangle. And we need to be thinking about how many across we've gone and how many up. So we've gone from minus 1 to 3. So altogether that's going to be 4 across. And then we've gone from 4 to 12. So altogether that's going to be 8 up. Like I always say, for gradient we want 1 across. So what have I done this side? Well, I need to divide by 4. So I need to divide by 4 on this side, which is 2. So my gradient here is 2. Part C, we've got the points 1, 2 and 2 minus 3. So let's plot them. 1, 2, that's 1. 1 across, 2 up. And 2 minus 3. Now that's 2. And that's minus 3. So 2 across, 3 down. And then join them up again. And then you want to be drawing your right angle triangle. Now when we're going across, I always want to go right. So pick the point where then you can draw to the right, which is here. And then go down. And again, we're going to start figuring out what we've done. Well, we've gone from 1 to 2, so that's 1 across. And this time we've gone from 2 to minus 3. This time we're going down. So let's figure out how many we've gone down. Well, we've gone 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So that's 5 down. And because it's down, we say that it's negative. So it's negative 5. And I just need to check, is it for 1 across? Yes, it is. So I don't need to divide by anything. I don't need to use a ratio. My answer is literally just minus 5. And the last one is 1, 2 and 3, 5. So let's plot our points again. So we've got 1 across, 2 up. So 1, 2, and then 3 across, 5 up. 3, 5. Join our points together. Draw our right angle triangle on. And start thinking, well, what have we done? So we've gone from 1 to 3, so that's 2 across. and we've gone from 2 to 5. So that's 3 up. Now remember, gradient is always for 1 across. So I need to divide by 2 here, which means I need to divide by 2 on this side. Now I can literally leave that as a fraction because 3 divided by 2, a fraction is a division, so it's actually going to be 3 over 2. So my answer, 3 over 2. I can leave it as that.